So what update? This is mommy and Pam and the mama here outside. So the chicks here. They're all there. See, they're healthy. Yeah, I put them because I cleaned their cage with water and soap. So nice one. Okay. Excuse, chick, excuse. Here it is. So I have put here. This is the door. I just rolled up so that it's easy. It's my so I didn't really make this hard. So I just use tie wrap. Tie wrap is on the go. So since so have rice all down, so all the water and the dirt will go up there. So I will just remove all the poop so that they cannot step on this one. So I put this stick just to make them like they can roast there when they want to sleep. So off camera lang po guys. So I will continue cleaning this one. So I think it ganyan na. So I leave a little bit like soap on the, but anyway that's detergent. It's not harmful. Detergent is washing liquid. So and I put all the food here. I just hung it. So it's every time I need. So dito lang. Sangit jud. So we will put food. I put only like that because they're always removing it like. Then we change water. Unsa na makadira? The other one fly inside. See? So here I put another water. It's from there. That's my mixing gallon. So this is hamster vitamin for them to drink. So ilagay lang natin sa sink. Ready na the water and the I put this one so that I can tie like that. But here I think I need to remove that one. So here lang po. So okay, we will put them back. They're all back there. So close lang. Move. Move, baby. So, no. So they're all there. It's clean.